Question: is bad posture a problem? No, bad posture is not a problem until it is a problem. I'll show you how to fix your posture problem with a 3-step routine you can do in less than 30 seconds. As a bonus, at the end, I'll show you a simple way to fix your posture that won't take any time out of your day. I'm Dr. J, physical therapist and strength and conditioning specialist, and this is Fitness Through Function. On this channel, we offer advice to help you improve your function and optimize your fitness. So, what is posture? Basically, posture is the position of your body parts relative to each other. Whatever you're doing, if your body parts are positioned so there's less chance of injury or bad alignment developing, that's good posture. When you're in good posture, you move more efficiently and your organs function optimally. No one uses good posture all the time though, but bad posture is only bad if it becomes your habit. That's easy to do in modern civilization because we do a lot of specific and repetitive things in bad postures. Consider our home activities, our work environments, the sports we play, and how we use devices for communication and entertainment. So, a habit of bad posture will lead to dysfunction, misalignment, and possibly injury over time. But when your body is under a lot of stress or load, injuries because of bad posture can happen immediately. If you're in bad posture, but you can easily move into postures that are better for whatever you're doing, then you likely don't have a major problem yet. Your posture can look bad at any given moment, but generally be okay. On the flip side, your posture can look good, but you can be too stiff to easily change position. In this case, your posture might look good, but actually be bad. These 2 points show that posture is dynamic. You can't only look at a snapshot of body alignment and determine if a person has generally good or bad posture. You have to consider mobility and how well range of motion is controlled. For the most part, good posture looks the same for everybody. There will be some differences across body types and sizes though. That's why there's no perfect chair or best foot position for an exercise for everyone. You have a better chance of fixing your posture if you feel the difference between bad posture and good posture. Your brain will prefer what's easier and more efficient. Try this. While sitting or standing, drop your chest and round your shoulders, look straight ahead, and push your chin forward. Stay in this position and take a deep breath. Now lift your chest and then take a deep breath again. Now get back in that slump posture and try raising your arms. Focus on how heavy your arms feel and how high you can lift them. After that, get back in the upright posture and try lifting your arms again. Compare the weight of your arms and the range of motion in the slump posture to the upright posture. Next, you'll need to stand and have some room to walk. Get back in the slump posture and start walking, almost like your chin is leading you across the room. Pay attention to the weight of your feet and how long your steps are. Now walk in the upright posture and compare the weight of your feet and your steps to how they felt in the slump posture. Everything should have felt better when you were in that upright posture. Those activities don't have to be done as part of the routine you're about to see, but they're good to do to promote postural awareness. Now that you understand what's bad about bad posture and felt the difference between good and bad posture, let me show you how to fix your posture. Step 1, assume the position. While seated, put your hands together, letting them rest in the middle of your chest. Push them straight up, keep your hands close to your face, and don't lift your elbows. Once your hands pass your forehead, separate them by rotating your arms more than pulling your arms apart. Once your forearms are perpendicular to the ground, drop your elbows down to your sides and rest your hands on your thighs. You should feel you're in a more upright posture. Step 2, use the position. While holding that posture, put one hand on your chest and the other hand on your stomach. Take a breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. It should be a deep breath, but not the deepest breath you can take. You should feel the hand on your stomach move as the abdomen expands and contracts. The top hand shouldn't move because the chest shouldn't move when you breathe. Take 1 or 2 breaths in each hand position. Step 3, load the position. Now maintain the posture and lightly push your head forward with 1 or 2 fingertips, but don't let it move. When you push, look up with your eyes. Be sure to bring the hand up to the head. Don't drop or turn your head to get the hand in position. 1 or 2 pushes with each hand should be enough. Now stand and repeat the steps. Now that you know the steps, watch the whole thing in real time. It's simple, it's not strenuous, takes less than 30 seconds, and you can pretty much do it anywhere. It's best to do the full routine, but you don't have to do the whole sequence to benefit from it. Only do it seated, only do it standing, only assume the position and do the breathing, or only adjust the posture and do the isometrics. You just have to be doing it in some form. When it comes to your posture habits, a small change will make a big difference. So as a bonus, I want to show you the simplest thing you can do to take a big step toward fixing your posture. That's it. When the sternum goes up, the shoulder blades go back and down. So be sure to lift the sternum and not push it forward. This move won't take any time out of your day, you just have to be reminded to do it. Try putting large dots on sticky notes or index cards and place them around your home or work area, then do this every time you see one. You'll essentially be doing posture exercises all day. These fixes are easy for anyone to do, and the routine isn't set in stone. Whichever you do, just follow the order of assume the position, then use the position. Now that you have some tools to help fix your posture, check out this video teaching you how to touch your toes in less than 30 seconds to improve your mobility in one of your fundamental movement patterns. Leave a comment to let me know what you think about the posture fixes. If you liked the video, please give it a like by hitting the thumbs up button. And be sure to subscribe if you found this helpful and want to see more ways to improve your fitness through function. I'll see you in the next video.